Hello students. Today I start the third chapter of your NCERT syllabus, trigonometry. Before introducing the word trigonometry, let me discuss about angles. What is an angle? The measurement of the rotation of a given ray about its initial point is called as an angle. The measurement of the rotation of a given ray means, suppose we have a ray like this and it is moving from this initial point to this point, then an angle is formed at this point. This point is called as the vertex. Okay, and this line is called as the initial line and this is called as the terminal line. You can visualize here the car steering. Okay, when the steering is moving like this, an angle is formed at the center of that one. Okay, so this is what an angle is. The measurement of the rotation of a given ray, about its initial point, this is the initial point, is called as an angle. The original ray is called as an initial ray and the last ray, second ray, is called as the terminal ray. Here you can notice there is a ray 1, it is moved to ray 2. If I measure the angle like this in the clockwise direction, just like a clock, then the angle will be measured as negative. And when the angle is measured in the anti-clockwise direction, it is always positive. You might have noticed on the, you used to keep the protractor like this and you used to measure like this, they are like 0, 30, 45, 60, like this it goes. Once if you are measuring in the anti-clockwise direction, then it is turned out to be negative. This is how we put the sign for angles. Okay, now let us discuss about the different types of angles. If a moving line, this is a moving line, initial line, makes an angle less than 90 degree, then it is called as an acute angle. If the moving line makes exactly 90 degrees, then it is called as a right angle. If the moving line, this is a moving line, okay, makes an angle more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, then you will call it as an obtuse angle. If the angle is just 180 degrees, then you will call it as a straight angle. If the angle is more than 180, more than 180, okay, then that angle is called as a reflex angle. Okay, and if the circle makes one complete rotation, one full rotation, then the angle formed here is 2 pi radians, or you say in degrees as 360 degrees. Okay, now there are three systems of measurement of angles. In your elementary classes, you have studied only the degree measure. But exactly, there are three systems of measurement of angles. First one is sexagesimal system of measurement. Second one is centesimal system of measurement of angles. Third one is radian measure. You are not going to study about the centesimal system. Okay, we are going to discuss about the sexagesimal system of measurement of angles and the radian measurement. So sexagesimal means already you are familiar with that. In sexagesimal system, a circle is divided into 360 equal parts. 360 equal parts. Okay, like this again. Okay, each part will be of 1 degree. Okay, in this system, a circle is divided into 360 equal parts and each part is of 1 degree. Okay, that 1 degree can be further divided into 60 equal parts and each part is called as a minute. Okay, the part of 1 by 60 equal parts in degree, then each part is called as a minute. Once again, that every minute can be divided into 60 equal parts, they are called as 60 seconds. Minute means I'll put a bar like this. Seconds means I'll put double bar. Okay, degrees means you will put like this, 360 degrees. Okay, in minutes if you want, every degree can be of 60 minutes. Okay, and a circle makes 360 degrees. Now, when a circle is divided into 4 equal parts, you know, one full rotation means 360 degrees. So each part If it is divided into 4 equal parts, each part is of 90 degree. Okay, such angle you will call such a type of angle as a right angle. So one right angle is equal to 90 degrees. Now, in a sexagesimal system, a circle is divided into 360 equal parts. Each part is of 1 degree. Okay. Now, let me discuss about the radian measure. First, I define what is radian measure. We define radian measure as an angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. What is the meaning of this? An angle subtended by an arc means this is the arc. Okay. An angle done by it at the center. Okay. How is this arc? This arc length is always equal to the radius of the circle. Here you can notice I have a circle like this. When you extend it is a circle. Okay. And then this is the center of that circle. OA is the radius of that circle. Okay, suppose this is 5 centimeters. We choose an arc length. It is also about 5 centimeters. Okay, and then mark a point B on the arc of the circle and join that B with O. This OB is also the radius and this is also radius, and arc length is equal to radius, not the chord joining these two. If the chord was equal to R, then the angle formed here could be an equilateral triangle. So if it is equilateral triangle, that angle you used to call it as 60 degrees. But here what happens is the arc length is equal to radius of that circle. Means whenever you join these two, this length is little shorter than these two. So this angle is little less than our equilateral triangle. Hence, the 1 radian is equal to 57 degree, 18 minutes, and then 46 or 47 seconds, we say. 57 degree, 18 minutes, 46 seconds. It is nearer to the equilateral triangle, but not exactly equilateral triangle. So, how you define 1 radian as? 1 radian is formed when an arc whose length is equal to radius of the circle, okay, subtends this much angle. It is 1 radian. So, we define it as an angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. It is 1 radian. It is 1 radian. Then, now you know some basic things about the circles. The circumference of a circle divided by diameter of a circle is always equal to pi. What is the value of pi? It is 22 upon 7. If at all you would like to write in decimal, what you will write? It is 3.142. I hope in your 6th or 7th standard you used to do an experiment. You used to take a thin ring, okay, and then stretch it and measure it. Suppose it is 10 centimeter like that. Then you used to bend it to form a circle, and in the middle you measure. Okay, suppose it is 3 centimeters like that. Okay, and the length of that is 10 centimeters. That length of this circle will be the circumference. 10 divided by 3 point something if you make, then that answer will be 3.142. So always you may take the circle however big or however small. If you measure the circumference of it divided by diameter, then the answer is always 22 by 7, or nearly it is 3.142. Okay, but then what is the formula to find the circumference of a circle? You know, if the radius is known, then the circumference of a circle is given by the formula 2 pi r. Okay, then let me prove a theorem here. Okay, I will relate now the radian measure to degree measure. So for that, I give the statement as to prove that radian is a constant angle. To prove that radian is a constant angle. So here what I'll consider is, I will consider a circle. Okay, let OA be the radius of the circle. Suppose it is of length, say R. Then choose an arc AB. Choose an arc AB. If this is 5 centimeters, this on the circumference of circle, it's also 5 centimeter like that. Okay, then mark that end point as B. It is also equal to the radius of the circle. And when you join that O to B, an angle subtended by this arc at the center is always equal to 1 radian, isn't it? Now, in order to prove this statement, radian is a constant angle, I will do the construction here. I will draw a perpendicular. Then I will call this point as C. Draw OC perpendicular to OA. Then angle AOC is of 90 degrees. Here you can notice angle AOC is of 90 degrees. Now, I can compare these two figures, comparing OAB and OAC. Arc AB divided by arc AB divided by arc AC is equal to angle AOB divided by angle AOC. What is our arc AB? We know it makes 1 radian, means the measurement of this arc is R. It's R. Okay, divided by arc AC. How is this arc AC? It is just 1/4 of the circumference of a circle. 1/4 into circumference of a circle. What is the circumference of a circle? It is 2 pi r. That's equal to angle AOB. Angle AOB, we know it is 1 radian. Okay, because we have defined what is a radian? An angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is equal to radius of the circle. 1 radian divided by angle AOC. I told angle AOC is 90 degrees. Okay, not so pi by 2. Let me call it as 90 degrees. Okay. Now, this are get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 twos are. This 2 comes to the numerator. 2 upon pi is equal to 1 radian upon 90 degrees. Cross multiply. 2 into 90 means 2 into 90. It will be 180 is equal to pi. It is 22/7. Okay. Into 1 radian means pi radians. That means 3.142 radians is equal to 180 degrees. Now you can see the proof. Consider a circle, OAB the radius. Consider an arc AB whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. Draw an angle subtended at the center is 1 radian. Then you will choose an arc AC. Choose an arc AC such that it is 1/4 of the circumference of a circle. Then the angle formed by this is 90 degrees. Okay. Now we compare these two parts. So arc AB divided by arc AC is equal to angle AOB divided by angle AOC. Arc AB is of length R divided by arc AC is 1/4 of 2 pi r, means pi r by 2. 1/4 of 2 pi r. It is pi r by 2. Okay, angle AOB is 1 radian according to the definition of radian. Angle AOC is 90 degrees. When we cross multiply, 90 into 2 and pi here. So 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. Thus, pi radians is always equal to 180 degrees. Okay, I hope you have understood. In the next class, next video lecture, we shall study how to convert the radian measure into degree measure. I hope you have understood. Thank you.